With the expanded remote control features in your My BMW app, in combination with the BMW Digital Key Plus, in proximity of your BMW, you can now use the My BMW app to unlock or lock the car instantly with an immediate vehicle connection, or press and hold to open or close all windows. You can open the trunk from a distance and interrupt the opening at any time. By pressing and holding the app button, you can now close it too. You can lock the car and deactivate the alarm sensors remotely to avoid unintentional alarms from the vehicle's interior motion or tilt sensor. For example, when you've parked on a vehicle lift or car ferry.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?